Hello internet people. In this video I'll show you how to install and activate your ThemeForest WordPress theme. It will only take you a few minutes. Arnie, how do you install your theme? That's for making me work. Tips with punch. My name is Robert, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about how to improve your website, get more traffic and other website related stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. So let's get started. I'm in my ThemeForest dashboard, and just to get to your downloads, go to your account and then downloads, and you end up on this page. And obviously you want to download the theme you're just about to install on your WordPress. So I'm gonna grab this one. The easiest way to install is actually just grab the WordPress file only. But if you want the other stuff, then it's a bit more steps, but I'll show you how to do it with this one. So I'll grab all the files, save, and then once it's done, I can unzip it. So this is already unzipped. It comes with this one. And then here you have a bunch of files and folders, and just find the 2 zip files in the folder. If you're missing the child one, that's okay. You don't really need it. Now, if you go to your WordPress dashboard, you can install the plugins by going to Appearance and Themes. And here click on Add New and then Upload Theme. So here you can select what you're going to upload. Mine is in Downloads. So again, going inside the folder, I'm grabbing the main theme first and then the child theme. Oh yeah, and if you get a warning saying upload file size exceeded, it's really easy to fix and a video will appear on your screen now. It's in the top right corner.
Okay, make it quick because my horse is getting tired.
And then click on Install Now. And now it will take a few seconds for install it. And we go back to the themes page. You'll see that your theme is here. But the great thing with some of the themes is that you can actually just install the child theme in one go. So again, upload theme. I'm going to go to the same folder and just choose the bold child. It's really recommended to use the child theme, and since it's this easy, let's just do it. And once it's installed, just go to your themes and then activate the child theme of the WordPress theme. Alright, now it's been installed and you can check out your website. Because I had another theme already installed, it might just look a bit weird. But actually it's not too bad. And if I go to the blog, I have a few posts there. This is just a test site anyway, so I'm not too worried. Alright, the theme is now installed and you can just continue with your work. If you're looking to master the digital world while getting entertained, then hit the subscribe button and find the bell icon so you get all the updates.